Hi Jacqueline, it's Pam. I figured a video would be the easiest way to show you how to do all of this. So you need to have testing Nirvana. That's going to be the big thing. You're actually going to need to make sure you have that for testing anyway. So if you don't have it, definitely message Hillary and she can have all that set up. But you should have testing Nirvana. I just keep it up here in my bookmarks because we use it all the time and I'm always at testing usually. So once I did that, and then I'm just going to go into testing Nirvana. This is for the EOY and then the CTE test. So you're going to click on that little link down there, that little arrow. And then you're going to go to assignments. So once you go to assignments, you are just going to click that button. And basically what happens is it's going to pull up every student that's testing right now. And it should have like hundreds of pages. Yeah, like 2,000 pages. So 2,000 pages of students testing. So that's a lot to go through. So that spreadsheet that I sent you guys, I think Davis was doing A through D. So your first student would be Cassidy Embry. So this is her student number. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on that and copy it. And once I do that, the student ID, you can search through her name if you wanted to, but just to make sure, like if you had a Smith or something like that, you may have like, obviously you may pick the wrong Smith. You can also search through site. So if we scroll down to Westchester, you could do it that way. But just having her numbers automatically going to pull up just that one student. So here's all the tests that Cassidy is taking. So this is what I've done in the past, and I 100% feel it's the easiest way. It's the quickest way to like just pop this into an email. But you can type all these out if you want and tell them, like you're going to be coming Friday the 9th, 10 to 9, or 9 to 12:30. But the easiest way I found to do it is to snip. So basically what I did was if you haven't ever used the snipping tool, it's super easy. But I do basically just hit new, and then I just copy, or I just do this little box, and then that screen captures it. So you can highlight even if you want. So they're taking English, algebra, geometry. If you want to do all that, you can. You don't have to. But then if you just hit edit copy, you can pop that into whatever email that you're sending them, and it'll give them everywhere they need to be for that for those times. So it's kind of a nice little quick way to send them their information. I will tell you that these in the past where you can just hit an email to them sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. It's hit or miss. Back for ACT, it didn't work half the time when we tried to use it, but it's worth a try if you want to. But that first letter you're sending out, you definitely want to have like all of their testing and make sure that they know when they're going to be there and what time that they need to attend. So hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know.